guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to, with a single line of code, upgrade all your softwares, upgrade all you need on your Windows computer into a simple, fast, effective, and totally free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to our Windows Start panel, okay? And right here into the search options, you're gonna search for command, okay? Just like this. Command prompt, okay? Here's the guy that I'm looking for. It's very important that you run this as administrator, okay? Because if you don't do that, it won't gonna work, okay? Click on run as administrator, then click on yes to make it open. You're gonna be able to see a window just like this one, okay? And all you have to do is type this line of code: widget space upgrade space 2 slash right here and all, okay? Just copy this code, pause the video and copy the code just like this, okay? Then click enter on your keyboard. All it's now important, okay? What is you gonna be able to see? In my case, I have tested, so all is upgraded on my computer, so I'm gonna be able to see just a message about two softwares that can determine the version numbers. But all of the other softwares it's already on latest available version, so you won't be able to see it there. But in the case that you have something to upgrade, you're gonna start downloading from here automatically, and you have to do nothing. Just wait, some windows gonna pop up and you are good to go. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.